Welcome to 1950 Canary Drive, Auburn, Alabama. I can't wait for you to see this amazing home, and I can't wait for you to see the beauty, uniqueness, and the wonderful features. Come on in. Just look at this beautiful natural stone fireplace, wood burning, and it has the vents around the outside. Just the thing you need on a cool Auburn afternoon and entertaining with friends and family. Imagine doing your laundry in this beautiful, spacious laundry room. And look at this unique wine barrel sink. It'll bring a smile to your face when you're doing the laundry. One of the cool outside features of this home is this half basketball court. One of the best things about this house is it sits in a great Auburn neighborhood. You're only minutes from Chewacla State Park. Right down Canary Drive is the beautiful paved walking path, and 5 minutes will get you into Auburn, anything that you want to see.